Hello! Do you want to speak English easily in real-life conversations? In this video, you will learn simple and powerful English questions and answers. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin Part 1. Easy daily questions. Can I call you later? Yes. Call me anytime. Do you like coffee? Yes, I drink coffee every day. Where are you from? I am from France. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little. What do you do? I am a student. Are you busy today? No, I am free today. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, that sounds good. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand. Good job. Keep going. Part 2. Social English. Do you want to go out? Yes, let's go out. Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you watch movies? Yes, I enjoy movies. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is... Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like reading. Can you help me? Of course I will help you. Now, repeat after me. Yes, I will help you. Part 3. Daily life. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you work every day? Yes. From Monday to Friday? Do you drive a car? Yes, I can drive. Where do you live? I live in a small city. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. Are you tired? Yes, a little. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is my first time. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Part 4. Real-life situations. Where is the bathroom? It is on the left. How much is this? It is $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Do you need help? Yes, please. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Can you repeat that? Yes, I will repeat. Now you know basic English for real conversations. Practice this every day and you will speak confidently. Like this video, subscribe, and watch again. See you in the next lesson.